Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic data structures. Definitions of data structures. Data structures are ways to organize and store data in a computer so it can be used efficiently. Types of data structures includes arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues. Importance of data structures. Our tree data structures allows efficient data organization and retrieval. It can be used to represent hierarchical structures like file systems. Types of data structures. Arrays are a collection of similar data items. Linked lists are a sequence of data elements connected via links. Stacks and queues are data structures that store a collection of elements. Arrays and linked lists. Arrays store data in contiguous memory, while linked lists use pointers to connect non contiguous memory blocks. Each data structure has its own advantages and disadvantages depending on the use case. Here are some common data structures. Arrays. Arrays are collection of elements, each identified by an index or a key. They provide constant time access to elements but can be inefficient for insertion and deletion in the middle, as all elements after the insertion point need to be shifted. Linked list. Linked list consists of nodes where each node contains data and a reference or pointer to the next node. Linked lists are efficient for insertions and deletion, but have slower access times compared to arrays. Stacks. Stacks are a type of linear data structure that follows the last in, first out LIFO principle. They are often used for managing functional calls, undo functionality, and parsing expressions. Quiz. Quiz are another linear data structure that follows the first in, first out FIFO principle. They are used for managing tasks in a sequential order, such as in scheduling or breadth-first search algorithm. Trees. Trees are hierarchical data structure with the root node and child nodes. Common types include binary trees, binary search trees, and balanced trees like AVL and red-black trees. Trees are useful for various applications, including searching and sorting. Graphs consist of nodes, vertices connected by edges. They are used to model relationship between objects and are fundamental in network design, social network analysis, and various algorithms like Dijkstra. Shortest path algorithm. Hash tables. Hash tables are used to implement associative arrays, maps, and sets. They use the hash functions to map keys to indices in an arrays, providing fast access to data. Heaps. Heaps are specialized tree-based data structures used for priority queues and heap sort algorithm. They maintain a specific ordering property between parent and child nodes. Try. A try pronounced try is a tree-like data structure used for efficient retrieval of a key in a large data set of strings. Tries are often used in autocomplete systems and dictionary implementations. Bloom filters. A Bloom filter is a probabilistic data structure used to test whether an element is a member of a set. It provides a quick way to check for membership but can produce false positives. Graphs. Graphs are collection of nodes, vertices connected by edge. They are used to represent relationship and connections between data and point. Graphs can be directed edge, have a specific direction, or undirected edge have no direction. Sparse data structure. Data structure like sparse matrices and sparse arrays are optimized for data with a lot of empty or default values, reducing memory usage and improving efficiency. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of data structures. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.